In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Bluebeam tools. By the end, you'll know exactly how to save your favorite markups so you can reuse them quickly on any project. First, open Bluebeam Revu and load the PDF you're working on. This process works best when you already have a document open so you can see your tools in action immediately. Next, bring up the tool chest. If it's not visible, go to the top menu and choose View, then Tabs, then Tool Chest. The tool chest is where Revu stores your reusable markups and symbols, and it usually appears as a panel on the right side. If it pops out as a floating window, that's fine. You can dock it by dragging it to the edge until it snaps into place. Now, create or select a markup on your PDF. You can use anything you commonly place, such as a cloud, a callout, a rectangle, or a text note. If you're making a new one, place it on the page, then adjust its appearance so it's exactly the way you want to reuse it. For example, set the color, line style, line weight, fill, opacity, and text size. The idea is that whatever properties you set now will be saved with the tool, so take a moment to get it right. With your markup ready, right-click it on the page and choose Add to Tool Chest. This tells Revu you want to store the markup as a reusable tool rather than just leaving it as a one-off annotation. If you don't see the option, double-check that you've selected the markup itself and not the page background. When prompted, select the toolset where you want it saved. You'll typically see options like My Tools or any custom sets your team uses. Pick the set that makes the most sense for your workflow. As soon as you choose it, your new tool appears inside that set in the tool chest. From now on, you can click it directly from the tool chest and place it again and again with the same properties you saved. This is a great way to standardize review symbols, speed up repetitive tasks, and stay consistent across drawings. A quick recap. Open Bluebeam Revu, open the tool chest from View, Tabs, Tool Chest, create or select your markup on the PDF and style it, right-click and choose Add to Tool Chest, then pick the tool set to store it. That's all there is to it. If you ever need to tidy things up, remember that keeping related tools in the same set makes them easier to find later. Thanks for watching and happy marking in Bluebeam Revu.